Ninth Wonder, Terrace Martin, Punch, 3-quart fold, yeah. I'm coasting, all zoned out. Love in my heart, money in my pockets burnt out. Sunny day in LA ain't always what it seems. Little homies wearing skinnies, big homies sipping lean, and we stay so clean. White walls, 100 spokes, hogs on the shore, baddest women in the best dope. Living by the water and we still in the ghetto, playing Miles Davis, Abso, and Nipsey Hussle. And that's all that I see. Wake up year round, 78 degrees. West side to the east side, yeah, that's me. Pick up my sax and let me play for you. Let me play for you.
Hey yo, I'm cut from a different cloth, lost in my own thoughts. I'm on another frequency, top dog, underboss. They say we sworn to secrecy, the blood overtaken. I take miseducation, it's decorated with hatred, I'm patient. But this here's a celebration, you gon' waste it debating the trails that we blazing. Underestimating your own greatness, that's called hating, just a minor miscalculation. But I can get you back on track, just follow the paw prints that we left out back, the door's cracked. Of course you feeling left out, in fact, we used to watch you as an example of what not to do. Pardon my mood, I guess I'm feeling some sort of way. The bright side, the sunshine, it's a lovely day. I'm thinking high power to the death of me, hustle like you broke, TDE got the recipe.
It's real, it's real, it's real, it's real. Ninth Wonder, Craig Brockman on the keys. President Punch, Top Dog Entertainment. Yeah. Who am I? I'm Terrace Martin. 3-quart fold. 3-quart fold. 3-quart fold. Enjoy. It's all true.